Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about running total using the sum formula. Before that, we have taken an example of 12 months data where you can see that from June there is no data. Uh, Actually using running total, we can get to know from which month there was no improvement and there was a constant sum. So for that, first we will be using the conditional formatting so that it highlights from which month there was a constant total. So we'll go to conditional formatting. We'll go to equals to. So the total is 1200. We'll take this. We will give our own color coding for this. Now it is applied. Now we will be using the sum formula and we will be doing the running total sum. So here we will refer this cell and refer the same cell, and we will use the row absolute on one cell reference. Press F4 once, it is absolute reference, and this is the row absolute. Done. So the C5 is locked. So and another C5 is free, so that when I drag it, you can see C5 is locked as I have given the row absolute, and it will take the reference of the next cell and add 100 and 200. For example, you can see January and February. So in January it is 100 and in February it is 200. So as the C5 is locked, it is referring from C5 to C6 and totaling it as 300. And you can see May was the last where there was an increase 1200. After that there were only zero scores. So the conditional formatting is working successfully and showing that there was a constant number from May to December and there was no improvement. And for the cell references, you can see this column absolute, row absolute, and the absolute reference. Hope you understood the running total, and please refer to cell references. Thanks watching for the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.